Hey guys, good afternoon. Hope you guys are doing well and greetings to all over in the world. So, first of all, thank you very much for watching all my vlogs. It has been a long time since I made vlogs. So, yeah, again, I'm making them today. Today, we are traveling domestically in Canada from Toronto to Vancouver through Air Canada. And this is for my US visa interview. I'm very happy and I'm very excited to go to Vancouver again for the second time, and I'll show you how this journey goes. Well, guys, we are here at the Milton Go station, and from here, you have to take the boat route number 21 to Lisgar-Go, where we have to go to Brampton Transit, and we have to interchange again at Bramalia Go station to go to the Pearson Airport. And this is the bus which will take us to Lisgar-Go station, which is known as the Halton region, where the three transits of Milton, Mississauga, and Brampton will meet there. Let's go. With the breeze here, and I've got this Milton Transit transfer with me. As you can see now, this transit is applicable to all places like Milton, Mississauga, and Brampton. Let me show you. This is the Lisgar-Go station over here. This is the place where Milton Transit stop, and the next one over there, that is for Meeway, and this one is for the Brampton Transits. Now we have to go towards the Brampton Transit, and from here we'll be going to this Bramalia Go via Brampton Gateway Terminal through the transit numbers, and from there we'll be going to from Bramalia Go, and from there we'll be boarding route number 115 to Pearson Airport. Well guys, this is the Bramalia Go station, and from here I need to take route number 115 to Pearson Airport. Well guys, you can see there Punjabi Dhaba, right? It's time for me to have something to eat. I'm hungry. Since I didn't eat anything since morning, we will have some good Punjabi food there. And these are all the Punjabi stores and depots over here. As you guys know, most of the Punjabi settle in Canada, mainly in Brampton in Ontario, and sorry, in British Columbia, where we are going, Vancouver. So I'll speak to you once I'm done with my lunch. And the airport is nearby. You can see all the green barricades over there. You know, the ceilings over there. That's the airport. Well guys, this is the airport road in Mississauga in Ontario, and you can see over there the ATC of the Pearson Airport of Toronto, and I'll be going there shortly, and it's okay. All my cheese fell down. Fell down, here you go. Due to the air. Okay, that's fine, I can have a new tea later. I was just sipping a tea here in Tim Horton, and yeah, you can see an aircraft landing there as well. Aircraft landing over there, rogue of Air Canada. Now we need to cross over here, and then we need to go towards the bus stop and board our bus. I'll speak to you once I'm at the airport. Well guys, I'm here at the first Pearson Terminal Airport, Terminal 1. Here it's written Terminal 1 Aerogare in French and Terminal 1 Aerogare, which means terminal in French. And here we are at the Toronto Pearson International Airport. This airport is named after former Prime Minister of Canada, the 14th Prime Minister of Canada, Lester B. Pearson. And yeah, and we have the one more airport named in Quebec, named after one more Prime Minister, that is the 15th Prime Minister, that is Pierre Trudeau, the 15th Prime Minister of Canada. That's in Montreal. Hence, now we have to go inside like this, and yeah, I'm beginning my journey to Vancouver. Here you go. Here it's written here, Canada arrivals, arrivees, Canada, and yeah, here. Yes, and now we have to take an elevator and go straight towards departures. Okay, guys, I'll speak to you once I'm at the departures. Thank you. 21:30 Vancouver, Allure in French, which means it's on time to Vancouver, and our gate number is D42, and we go here. So finally I'm in the departure section from the arrivals through the elevator, and our airline counter is over here, baggage drop. I need to grab my boarding card and I'll finish my security, and then I'll talk to you once I'm at the gate. Thank you, guys. Well guys, I've collected my boarding card and D42 is our gate, and hence we are proceeding towards our security check, and from there we'll be going to our gate. Here you go. Here DE, here you go. Yes. I'll speak to you once I'm done with the security check. Well guys, my security check is done, and for the people who are traveling from Canada or domestically in Canada or internationally, whatever, I advise you guys to please put your perfumes or any deodorants in the check-in baggage, as it's an unnecessary headache for you guys, as I had to go through. My security check happened twice, as I had to check in my only one carry-on baggage, and now that will be available only in Vancouver now. Okay guys, and yeah, and now I have to proceed to D42, my gate, and then I'll meet you there. 1916 21:30 depart, 21:30 AC 129 Vancouver, and we have plenty of time now. This is my gate D42, and all the passengers going to other destinations. It's a little busy here in Mississauga today. So that's it.
Customers seated in doors 1, 2, and 3 at this time, please make your way forward to gate D43. We ask you to please have your boarding passes and your photo IDs ready for presentation. Please have your...
Oh my god. Now this is the boarding route. The long aero bridge. We have to pull the aircraft. And yeah, hopefully everything goes well. Okay, it's the same aircraft, not the light blue one. And here you go, we'll be landing at the Vancouver International Airport in another 5 hours from now. Let's rock the show.
Passenger joining us tonight, welcome with Air Canada member Star Alliance. For safety and comfort, please don't carry items identified under the seat in front of you. Pour les passagers qui joignent nous,
All set now, departure to Vancouver. We'll be landing there in another 5 hours in British Columbia. And yeah.
Faites place en position verticale dans les coffres supérieurs. Pareil, les enseignes de sortie comportent un symbole vert. Les flèches indiquent la direction pour s'en aller suivre.
Look at this, guys. Oh my god. In Mississauga. We all set to take off now. Thank you very much.
3,000 feet. 5 hours and 4 minutes gate to gate. Anticipating relatively smooth flying conditions this evening. Weather in Vancouver, temperature of 19 degrees Celsius. Partly cloudy skies and light winds out of the west. On behalf of your crew today, I'd like to thank you for choosing Air Canada.
Chers passagers, c'était le commandant Carl McFarlane, la première officier qui nous souhaite la bienvenue à bord d'Air Canada, vol 129 à destination de Vancouver. Notez qu'aujourd'hui que le temps de vol 4h36 minutes dans les airs, 5h04 de porte-à-porte, en altitude de croisière de 35 000 pieds. Température à Vancouver, 17 degrés Celsius et nuageux. Encore une fois, au nom de tout l'équipage, merci d'avoir choisi Air Canada.
Welcome aboard your Air Canada flight to Vancouver. My name is Chelsea and I'm your service director. On behalf of the entire crew, we're happy to have you with us today and offer service in English and French. On this flight, you'll experience upgraded seats and onboard features, including Bluetooth audio compatibility with our in-flight entertainment system. Live streaming from two exterior cameras will allow you to enjoy the view, no matter where you are on the aircraft.
En prévision du décollage, prenez soin de vous asseoir confortablement, de redresser le dossier de votre siège et de ranger la tablette. De chaque côté de l'avion, chacune d'elles est indiquée par une enseigne verte. Veuillez repérer celle qui est la plus près de vous.
If the cabin pressure changes, an oxygen mask will drop in the panel above you. Remain seated. Hold
Utilisez la bande élastique pour maintenir le masque sur votre nez et votre bouche et respirez normalement. Mettez toujours votre masque avant d'aider quelqu'un.
ranger votre tablette et pliez votre ceinture. Les couloirs et les sorties de secours doivent être dégagés de tout bagage, des appareils électroniques de grand format comme les ordinateurs.
Seatbelt fastened and your baggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Smoking is not permitted. Airplane mode may now be turned off. Before leaving, please ensure you have all electronic devices. If you have a connecting flight, please refer to the screens inside the terminal or consult with one of our colleagues on the ground. More information for the connecting flight can be found using the Air Canada mobile app or visiting aircanada.com. Thank you for choosing Air Canada for First Airlines for your travels today. We hope you've had a pleasant flight and look forward to see you again soon.
Bienvenue à Vancouver, les livres vont prendre 23h14 heure locale. Ne vous ferons rester assis avec votre ceinture de sécurité pliée vos bagages et caméras rangés jusqu'à ce que la consigne des ceintures soit éteinte et l'Internet fermé. Vous pouvez maintenant désactiver le mode avion. Avant de quitter l'appareil ce soir,
Finally, we have landed at the Vancouver International Airport in Richmond. This is British Columbia. It's a very early arrival here in Richmond, and yes, this is the way to the arrival hall. This is the departures area in the Vancouver International Airport. Again, this departs to Mississauga, that's Toronto at 12:45 a.m. local time over here. I'm here in Richmond. I have to go towards the baggage claim there. Oh my god, this is a long arrival walk to the baggage claim area. And these are normal plane spotting areas over here at Richmond. There's the Vancouver International Airport. I'm so sorry guys, I was unable to talk properly because one thing, I had my lunch later and the jet lag started to inhale me, so that I was sleepy all the time during the flight. I had a good rest. Now Toronto arrival R2318 belt 5 and Air Canada. Let's go guys. Now where is belt 5? 023 I can see only 0 to 3 here. Yeah, here you go. There's belt 5. One. Let's go. Well guys, I've collected my baggage now and here I am at the Vancouver International Airport in Richmond. And yeah, I'll be proceeding towards my interview in another 6 to 7 hours time now. Now, I need to find somewhere to stay here in the arrival hall and everything is good now. It was a good flight, early arrival. And thank you very much for watching this vlog. Hope you like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in another vlog. Take care for now. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye. Good night.